Well, here's the bike. I have the exhaust on it, full system Tarmac, and I must say it sounds really good live. I mean, I don't know how much justice you'll get from the video, but hearing it live, and from what I heard it live, like from the other video I saw, hearing it like in person with your bike, it's completely different. It sounds phenomenal. Like, the sound is just amazing. It's so throaty and deep. It's awesome. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little video of the exhaust installed and what it sounds like. And it looks good. I love the way it still keeps tucked under the bike. It's awesome. There's a quick round view of the bike. And that's about it. Sound is pretty awesome though, gotta say. I love it.